Back again. Today's video, I'm trying to use simple, relatable words that will help people understand how Market Cipher works. So basically, Market Cipher is a script. A script is more or less like a reference data, something that you need to base your financial decisions out of it. You understand? So it's like you don't gamble. That's why I really respect gamblers, people who can bet on a team to win. It's based on predictions and on probability, if and if not, right? So market cyber is a script that is way beyond if and if not. It tracks liquidity, which is something that every asset is backed by. So let me give you a simple explanation. So let's say the asset that I'm trying to trade is. Let me remove the drawings first. If you're new to this channel, kindly like, subscribe, share, and Market Cipher is a script that I'm using for now. So let's say the asset I'm trying to trade is called Bitcoin, right? So the asset is a human being, right? So every human being have or do have certain parts that are functional that helps in your very existence. So this is your eyes. These are your eyes, sorry. This is your nose. And this is your mouth, right? And these are your ears. All right, cool. So and these are your hands. Your hands this is your leg. All right, cool. So these are, let's say this human being is the asset, right? Okay, the asset, and their part functions differently. As you all know, ears helps you hearing, eyes helps your sight, nose, yada yada yada. So let me compare your ears to, let's say, these ones RSIs, right? Let me compare your mouth to VWAP, and let me compare your nose to. All right, so that's. Let me put it here. Let me wait. So your mouth are for RSIs, your ears are for your VWAP. All right. So the thing is, in as much as your ears are very important, you can lose one ear and still function, right? But the question is, what if you have a heart and you have blood as well? The absence of your heart is like death to your body, right? And the absence of your blood is like death to your body. So this is the blood, your liquid, right? And your heart is your momentum. So it's like, in as much as your ears functions, or the absence of your ears still can lead you to your very existence of life, the absence of your heart is very crucial for your existence. So this is how market cipher is. The heart is like the momentum, a force, and your blood is like the liquid. These are crucial parts of your human body. The same way every asset is backed by liquid and force, momentum, which is the heart, and liquid is the blood. You understand? So you can't talk about trading or investing or any other sort without knowing the liquidity, right? That is the blood, or without knowing the force, which is the heart. These are something that you cannot trade without, and most people tend to trade without tracking liquidity. They are tracking other parts of their human body or other RSIs or other indicators that are not really influential on the very direction of price. You understand? So price tends to more or less like lean towards the very direction of direction of the most influential oscillators, which are your heart and your blood. You understand? So one of the mistakes that people tend to make is they are good at trading, but their script makes it hard for them to trade. You understand? Like the script that you are trying to use. Let me compare the script to different forms of mobile phones, right? So let's say iPhone, Apple, with another brand. You can see that the features of Apple supersedes other brand, right? So and the features of Android, like say Samsung, also supersedes other brands. So it's like Market Cyber has what it takes to make right trades. That's basically the definition of Market Cipher. It makes it so easier to understand or track where money is going and where money is leaving. You understand? Because money is very important, or liquid is very important, or one of the most influential oscillators that backs an asset. So if price will go up, it means price tends to lean towards the very direction of money. So you could see money was exiting here and price was also coming down. So its momentum was also coming down and price was also falling down. It's like now we've been able to track the most important part of your human body that helps you to function. You understand? It's like most of you guys are leaning towards their eyes and ears to trade, whereas you are neglecting the heart and the blood. You understand? So basically, this is what you guys have to know. Trading is real, is good, everybody can trade, but again, what you lean towards to make your entries causes you to fail or succeed. Market Cipher gives you the right, or shows you more or less like a simple an easier let me say the visualization of these money flow and momentum is way easier to understand. Just in and out, basically it comes in, goes out, comes in, goes out, that's all. So one of the best script I've used, I tested so many scripts trying to understand how it works. And if you're new to this channel, this is Market Cipher for you. I used to be a former server moderator and also a consultant, work with them. And now on YouTube, trying to help people all over the world to understand how to trade using easy strategies. I do have a Discord. Link is also in the description. And so until then, people, the goal is to simplify trading for everybody, to make a living for themselves and your family and enjoy life in a simple way. So until then, people, have a nice time. Peace.